My name is Aga, and I'm a designer, but I can code as well. In these classes, we're going to code designer's portfolio, which means that we're going to learn HTML and CSS basics by implementing the layout step by step. Should designers code? Well, everyone has its own answer, and I'm not going to go further into this debate. My goal is not to make you a developer. My goal is to show you that code is a great tool for UI and UX designers to express their ideas in the real environment for their projects, which is a web browser. After the course, you'll be able to better hand off your projects to developers and better speak their language. In summary, you're going to learn HTML tags, CSS basics and properties, implement Google fonts on the website, and using DevTools in a web browser. The course is dedicated for UI and UX designers who would like to start learning HTML and CSS by practical examples. Prior coding knowledge is not required. We will cover basics step by step, so you'll be able to follow along easily. I hope you will have fun and finally explore that coding is very useful. See you in the first lesson!